Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to remove your Google Play Games profile permanently, you've come to the right place. Whether you're switching accounts, cleaning up your data, or just done with mobile gaming, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step in a clear and simple way. Let's get started. Open the Play Games app on your phone. Then tap on the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Select the option labeled Settings. Next, scroll down until you see the option called Delete Play Games Account and Data. Tap on it to continue. Under the section that says Delete Play Games Profile and All Play Games Data, tap the button labeled Permanently Delete. A confirmation message will appear. To finalize, tap Permanently Delete one more time to confirm. That's it. Your Play Games profile and all associated data have now been deleted from your Google account. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.